Today we are building a pantry. Joe has learned a new skill and today we put it to the test. We will find out, is it flush to the front? Welcome to American Roots.
So I wrote you this letter explaining the ocean of you, how we departed into the waters of the unknown, the open blue. Well, I was anchored, I was hidden down, I was swing, but I was sound about the truth. And you were floating on the dancing, shattered impression of the moon. Oh, describe to me that feeling of breathing in and seeing the only place you ever loved. I know, 'cause I've been sinking in the depths of you from being the only thing I can't think of. I wrote you a letter explaining the ocean of you, how we departed into the waters of the unknown, the open blue. Well, I was anchored, I was hidden down, I was swaying, but I was sound about the truth. And you were floating on the dancing, shattered impression of the moon. Oh, describe to me that feeling of breathing in and seeing the only place you ever loved. I know, 'cause I've been sinking in the depths of you from being the only thing I can't think of.
Thanks so much for watching. This is definitely a level up when you have a way to put stuff in its place. We appreciate you being here and walking through our journey with us. Until next time, we're praying blessings on you, and we hope that this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. We'll see you soon.